Blessed Sunday, kapatid! Sunday is not just a day off. Divine appointment ito. Isang araw para huminto, magpahinga, at muling lumapit kay Lord. Sunday service, hindi lang ito about religion. It's about relationship. It's where we receive peace, truth, and grace. Hindi tayo pumunta dahil perfect tayo. We go because we need Him. Because we are still growing. And hey everyone, may opinyon ng bawat isa. Pero walang karapatan humusga sa iba. Only God sees your heart. Guard your mouth, kapatid. Speak life, not condemnation. Judge not, that you will not be judged. That's Matthew 7 verse 1. Let's choose compassion over criticism. Love over legalism. Hayaan mong si Lord ang mag-correct. Tayo, let's love like Jesus. See you guys at the service. Be blessed, stay humble, and be kind. Bye for now.